How to buy Visa gift card online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can buy Visa gift card online. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is simply open up a web browser and search for Visa gift card. After you search for Visa gift card, you will see the Visa's official website here and you can open that up. And after you open that up, you will see the list of gift cards that you can buy. Now, you can easily get these gift cards. You can choose any of these gift cards. So just find the one that you want and tap on buy online. It will redirect you to that very website. And after you're on that very website, you can buy your gift card. So there you can see you can create your own custom gift card as well and purchase your e-gift card here. So you tap on that and it should take you to another website, and yeah, you can basically buy your Visa gift card from there. Now you can choose your gift card and the amount that you want. I'll just choose the one that on the first, and yeah, now choose the value, your email again, the quantity and stuff like that, and add it to cart and buy it using your payment method. And that is how you can buy Visa gift card online. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.